Hi guys, today we're going to see in Power Automate Cloud in connections how many type of things we can able to do with creating flow or how many things we can. I already informed in previous video. We have AWS, so certain things we can do it like we'll see one by one how we did show how many things we can do in connections. We can just go to connections, click on new connection. We have SharePoint, OneDrive business, OneDrive we have, and then with 365 we can use Salesforce. And to be fair, we need to pre-made. If there is no pre-made means we can anyone can use that order, normal order. SQL Server, Dropbox, generate scheduling, and you can see the publisher actions. On desktop, one incorporate 365 training, 3 events, Azure AD, abbreviations, scientific, abstract company insurance, independent publisher, abstract email validator, abstract exchange rates, abstract holidays, abstract event validator, abstract IP geolocation, phone validator time zones, some only the system VAT validator, Azure control, Azure confidence. So these are Azure things and information text here, Adobe, address Adobe PDF, Adobe Africa talking video, agility ahead, for Mnet, online stream, nearly Amazon Redshift, Amazon S3, Amazon S3 bucket, SQS, Fig, Azure Insight, standard. These standard approvals. You can use the standard approvals to get in waiting for the response with the buttons. App Store, Cloud Studio, Salesforce, Ahab, Echo PDF standard service, Enterprise, Azure Resource, Stick, US government, so the premium things. Dynamic 365, Sales Insight, Autodesk Exchange, Auto Review, Microtrans, Azure AI Founder Agent Service, Azure Blob Storage, and Azure Clock Analysis, Azure Database for MySQL, Azure VVM. So all things we can use the connections. If you see, we have the MP and again Black Ultra, Blackbird. Some product Blackbird publisher. It's in a blockchain. Yes, we know about that. It's in a blockchain and map, Ox, BTM buffer. We have a lot of connections to do the cards of power apps, CDK, LED, Cisco, web meetings, food and Cognito, custom, Dynamic 365 connectors, automation centers, Cognizant. Oh, publisher with Cognizant, Microsoft Dataverse, and Component and Databricks. Databricks we have that. The box Azure Databricks for audit data flows, sign, connectors we have overall and Dynamic System Business Central, easy postman, if we are like A to Z, we have the German Federal Parliament, Google Drive, Google Chrome, our start, Trolio, site, Navigator, okay, Jupyter, Python also we can support on that. Azure Keyboard. In Azure Keyboard, we just saving the passwords from cloud to desktop. Not to give the manual password at the moment. LinkedIn also we have Facebook also. All the social medias we have the connections. Microsoft Copilot Studio, MongoDB databases we have regular expressions. Right. Not on We can go through the any other things. Uh, the service also workshop and which are the flows you need, like you can go and do the connection. Have the X also desktop flows, not this desktop flow we can get. We have the UI path orchestration, we have the connection also. Think extract and we have X for Y chat as chart. This is the end of the connection. We have these many connections plus signing to the so we have so many things. And this is the connections. We can go forward on the desktop in coming video. You can see on the next video.